Hello everyone, I'm Arjun from Atiroh AV Solutions, and in today's video, I'm going to give you a quick walkthrough of the split screen mode in the Atiroh Interactive Panel. This tool is particularly useful when you want to explain a concept and use the referencing material side by side so that you do not lose the flow. Let me now show you how this tool works. Clicking on this arrow over here opens up the unified menu, and down at the bottom you have 3 more dots, clicking on which will give you a list of more applications, and from here you can access your split screen. Now opening up the split screen mode will actually split your interactive panel into 2 screens. So on the left hand side, let me open up the WPS office, on which you can open up any of your documents, and on the right hand side let me open up my note software. So as you can see, the WPS office has been opened up on the left hand side, and clicking on the note will open up the note software on the right hand side. You can now open up any kind of documents. For example, here I have opened up a formula sheet. So now I can now teach students, simultaneously opening up any kind of document, images, and then explaining the concepts over here. Let's say, for example, x plus y equals z, and then again reference back to the formula sheet and go on explaining further. You can also switch on the annotate mode. For example, clicking on this icon over here and opening up the annotation tool will actually put the entire panel on kind of a pause mode, and then you can actually annotate on this PDF in real time. And then once you're done with the explanation, you can stop the tool or close it over here. As you can see, the split screen mode offers a versatile amount of features for you to make your explanations more comprehensive and engaging. Thank you.